Hey everybody, thanks for joining us again on Drunken Sailor. I gotta tell you, today is my favorite day of the week. It's Tuesday. Well, it's Taco Tuesday. What more could you ask for? Our local Mexican restaurant, which is only open half the year, just opened up this past week, so we are celebrating. We've got tacos, we've got nachos with queso, we've got quesadillas, we got peppers. So, you got all this great Mexican food, what do you have with it? That's an easy answer, it's a margarita. And today's margarita is a pineapple margarita. So let's get pouring. We are gonna go, and I'm making enough for two because somebody's gonna join me today with, and this is quantities for two, 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're gonna use 3 ounces per cocktail, so 6 ounces of pineapple juice. Next ingredient, we are using Cointreau, and we are going to put in there 3/4 ounce per drink, or 1.5 ounces. It's a Blanco Tequila, and it's Forteza. It's got a nice rich smoky flavor to it, and it doesn't have any artificial additives to it, so it's fully aged, fully baked, natural agave, and we're going to put in there 1.5 ounces. So we're putting 3 ounces of tequila in here. The only thing we have left to do is sweeten that up, and we are going to put in there 1/2 ounce per cocktail, or a full ounce for 2 cocktails of agave nectar. That's everything that needs to go into the shaker, so let's cool this down. Slap the top on that, and we're going to shake this down to chill it. It's Taco Tuesday! I'm getting a little excited. We've got everything we need except our margarita glasses, and what's Taco Tuesday without the cheesy cactus looking margarita glasses? These are going to be an ice down, so we're going to put ice in there. And we'll start with 1 scoop each, but we'll probably end up putting a little bit more in there. Fill these glasses up. The color, the smell, it's pineapple-y. Just going to top this off with a little bit of ice. Go. Our limes, and we are done. It's Taco Tuesday. We've got tacos. We've got margaritas.
I thought those limes were for something else. Never mind.
Pick up your cocktail and give it a try.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
That is really good. Delicious. Try this one. Amazing.